COVID-19 has hit families hard all across the region. I'm Jonathan Hunter. I spoke to one local family who shares their touching story of how they lost one of their loved ones to the virus. George Baxter was a loving husband and father. His family says he was also a very nice guy.
He was just a very funny, dry-humored personality.
He was a very kind, compassionate person. He loved to do different kinds of activities.
On March 17th, Baxter was rushed to Unity Hospital. He stayed in the ICU from March 17th to the 29th. He ultimately passed away at the age of 81. Due to the visitor restriction policy, his family wasn't able to be with him in person when he died. The palliative care unit coordinated phone and FaceTime calls so they could see him.
Letting somebody go to the hospital and not being able to be there, your next big fear is, how am I going to get updates? And both the ICU team, the nurses, and the palliative care team were outstanding at giving us updates.
It was a very difficult situation. We were talking daily, a couple times a day, and their kindness and trust in us made our jobs easier in a sense.
While Baxter is gone, his family cherishes the good times they had together. His wife has a message for the public in light of the pandemic.
I think everyone needs to go slowly from now on, all of the public, and not jump into anything too soon, because this could return, and it's a very, very difficult situation.
Reporting in Rochester, Jonathan Hunter, Spectrum News.